The beautiful city of Kochi, also known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea, is one of the major tourist attractions in Kerala. From vibrant Kathakali performances to beautiful beaches and backwaters, this place will surely leave you with a bag full of memories and good feeling. One of the best places to visit in Kochi is Hill Palace. Hill Palace is a heritage museum that is dedicated to Maharaja of the city. It has around 49 buildings that present the traditional architectural style of Kerala. Second, Folklore Museum. It is a 3-storied building which represents the real culture and heritage of Kerala. The place has a very deep Malabar architecture influence. The museum has on display historical items like Kathakali masks, costumes, ornaments that all belong to the Stone Age. Third, Santa Cruz Basilica. This church in India is one amongst the 8 basilicas in India. Its Gothic style of architecture and pattern, both in and out of the church, has made it quite famous. This rebuilt structure is counted as one of the heritage edifices in the country. Fourth, Chirai Beach. It is a peaceful destination and is noise-free. With golden sand, seashells and serene beauty, the place has become particularly famous among photographers who take great interest in catching different frames of the golden sands and the beautiful clear waters. Number 5th, Kerala Kathakali Center. The main objective of the center is to encourage the classical art forms of the country. Various dance forms are taught here like Kathakali, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi, and is majorly based on Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. One of the dance forms, Kudiyattam, taught in the center has also been recognized as a human heritage art by the UNESCO. 6th, Mattancherry Palace. The palace is also known as a Dutch palace, and it was built by the Portuguese and was given as a gift to Raja of Cochin. The palace has a portrait gallery with some amazing murals that depicts Hindu temple art and also Kochi kings and their portraits. 7th, Marine Drive. Marine Drive is a beautiful walkaway in Kochi which faces the backwaters and is a popular hangout among the local people of Kochi. It attracts various tourists and also locals of the city. The highlight is the beauty of the sunrise and sunset over the Wimbledon Lake. 8th, Jewtown. This fascinating place is a crowd pleaser. There are various objects from the archaeological finds such as the scrolls of law, gold crowns, Belgian glass chandeliers, a brass railed pulpit, etc. that attracts tourists the most. 9th, Cornered Elephant Training Center. This center is now mainly used for rescuing animals. It has various activities that attract the tourists like elephant rides, Thadekar Wildlife Sanctuary and more. Last, 10th, David Hall. David Hall is 315 years old bungalow that was the official residence of the Dutch army commanders. At present, the complex is transformed into a large art gallery, studio for painters and Dutch performing arts center. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.